We also want to do the same thing for the footer. So we're going to write index.html, services.html, products.html, and contacts.html. So this looks awesome. This is great. Let's save once again. Now the next page I want to work on is services. Okay, so let's do that. And I'm going to save over this. I'm just going to call this file, save as, services.html. Now I'm going to make this my services page. I'm going to change this because I don't want it to look exactly like my home page. And I'm going to show you how easy this is. We'll go ahead, we'll highlight over this, and we'll delete this table. One good technique to use is when you click inside something, click table, and you'll see it surround. You'll see Dreamweaver kind of surround what it is. Then hit delete. Same thing here. This is like another table. Click on table, delete. And for the inside pages, I don't know if I necessarily want that image, so let's delete. This is a table. Highlight over the tables. And then you want to click down here, and what it does is it merges both of those tables together. Alright, so now each one of my inside pages is going to look different than the home page, which is what I really want. So this is our services page. Let's highlight, and let's click our services. You can add whatever you want here. For the purposes of this demonstration, I am going to just put something together very quickly, and to not waste your time, this is an example of what I put in: web development, software development, and database development. Alright, so you can see whatever your services are, I would add 3 or 4 or whatever is necessary, for your audience or for your business. Okay, let's save. So my services page is done. Okay, next one is products. Very easy process. File, save as, and we're going to call this products.html. As you can see, within minutes I've been developing. I already did 2 pages. Let's change this to our products. Just to save your time, you can say product 1, product 2, product 3, and add whatever you want for your product. Another thing I highly recommend is maybe inserting an image of your product. And to insert an image, you would just hit up here, image, and insert that image, and then you have a nice looking image of the product, and you have a description. Some people are visual, some people like to read, but having them both, you kind of cover your audience completely, which is a really good thing. Actually, images in general have proven to increase what's called conversions or contacts. People like to see what they're asking for. So this page would be pretty much done as soon as you insert the products. And the last page we're going to work on is file, save as, and this one is going to be called contacts. And for contacts, you want to include contact information. So our contacts, and for this case, I will delete what we have here and paste something I just kind of put together real quick. Our contacts, and then you have information here and sales information here, or whatever once again applies to your business. Let's save, and our contacts page is done. So let's go ahead. I'm going to take actually this contact us from here because it's a little repetitive. I'm going to save. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at what we've done so far. So I'm going to go back to my folder that I had that, and let's take a look. So I'll double click on index. This is our home page index. Okay, next one is services, and you can see how quickly it had services. Okay, and then contacts. So you very quickly we created this site. Obviously, you want to add more things that relate to your business, and this may not even be the template for your business. But I just wanted to make sure that everyone was able to participate, whether you purchase that package or not. However, I highly recommend that package because you're going to find a website that's more relevant to what you're trying to create, and it's gonna speed up the development time tremendously. As you can see here, what did we do? Maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and we have a good-looking website, which a designer would probably charge us, $2,000, $3,000, and you'd probably wait 3-4 months or 2 months to get this done. So hopefully this is helpful. Till next time, and I want to also, before I leave, say thank you for all your positive feedback and all your good comments, and I just want to let you know I'm dedicated to helping you, and I appreciate everything you guys do. All right, so keep doing what you're doing, and I'll talk to you soon.